If you're looking for a quick and easy meal or a quick and easy snack, here's the video for you. What it do, me more gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, I will be cooking hot wings and garlic bread pizzas. So for the people who've been rocking with me since day one, you guys know I have multiple videos up here on my channel on how I make my hot wings. My hot wings taste 10 out of 10. They taste better than Pizza Hut. They taste better than Little Caesars, Domino's, any wings place. My hot wings taste better than it. I don't care, judge your mama. But for my new subbies, if y'all want to know how I make my hot wings, here's the video for you. So here you can see I'm seasoning my wings. This is the seasoning of my choice. You can pick and choose the seasoning of your choice. To be honest, you don't need a lot of seasoning. You can just do salt and pepper and call it a day. I like to cook my chicken in the air fryer because it's quick and easy. Work smarter, not harder. If you know, you know. But if you want to fry your chicken, then you definitely can. So now I'm just preparing the toppings for my garlic bread pizzas. Whatever toppings you would like to put on top of your garlic bread, that is perfectly fine. You don't have to use what I use, but this is what I wanted to use. So I love onions, so I decided to have a red onion. I think this is a red onion. Ain't this a red onion, y'all? Anyways, it's an onion. So I'm just chopping up my onions. And let me just say this, I got inspired to make this meal from my aunt and my cousin and also one of my sisters. She was talking about it the other day, and my aunt and them have been talking about it. So I was just like, okay, yeah, this is quick and easy. Let me make this. These garlic bread pizzas are great for a cheap and easy lunch, or even for just a quick dinner served with wings, salad, fries, whatever works best for your family. So another cheese of my choice, I decided to lay a layer of pepper jack cheese and also the cheese that I showed y'all in the beginning of the video. And I did mention that you can layer your garlic bread with any toppings of your choice. I just choose to use pepperoni, turkey pepperoni to be exact, because your girl can't eat pork like that. So you could probably add some sausage and all this other stuff, but that's what I chose to use. And that is the aftermath of the finished wings and the finish of the garlic bread. And so here we are about to add the sauce to the wings. So I just add the sauce to a bowl, shake it up, and there we go. And boom, you got your quick and easy lunch, your quick and easy meal. It was less than 20 minutes far as the garlic bread, but the wings, definitely not. You got to let them cook a little bit longer. But for the garlic bread, that was less than 20 minutes. Everything was a 10 out of 10, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Because what? Because how y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys again in another video. Goodbye.